Let's talk about making a left-hand turn. I want to squeeze the brakes. I'm looking over my shoulder, and I'm going to get in the center turn lane. Sit back, relax, enjoy. This is a protected left turn. I have a turning arrow. I'm looking, I check traffic. I want to turn in the nearest lane by the double yellow. And you see the double yellow? That is a great turn. You want to find the speed limit, which is 50. I see the person who almost pulled out on me. Always be aware of other drivers. I'm going to turn on my left turn signal. I want to get into the center turn lane, and I want to make a left turn. And I stop and yield to traffic. Always yield to oncoming traffic. They have the right of way. Take your time. You're looking for a gap or space. Here's my gap. I turn in the driveway, and I'm going to go ahead and pull up and do a 3-point turnaround. These are basic controls today as promised. I turn my wheel. I come up. I'm looking. I'm checking. See me looking. There's my backup camera. You can see the shadow of the car. This is great hand over hand. And then I turn back. The hazards are people and cars.